Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Lose It app on Android. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install the Lose It app on your Android device, start by unlocking your phone. Locate and tap on the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. In the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Lose It into the search bar and press the search icon. Look for the Lose It app in the search results. It's typically the one with a green icon featuring a scale. Tap on the Lose It app to open its page. On the app page, you will see an Install button. Tap the Install button to begin the downloading process. Wait for the app to download and install, which may take a few moments. Once installation is complete, you will see an Open button. You can tap Open to launch the app immediately, or you can find it later in your app drawer. If you wish to open it later, return to your home screen or app drawer. Locate the Lose It app icon and tap on it to launch. You may be prompted to sign up or log in. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or sign in. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the Lose It app on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.